Yo, grand rising everybody, get your exercise in. I want to tell you that. When I go on these walks, I get to thinking about better ways to, better my service, right? To better the business and to ensure that all of my students, my mentees are successful, right? Making sure that they can't fail. So I get on these and I get to thinking about questions that come up or whatever it may be. So today I want to address the credit and funding situation because it seems to be confusing to a couple people, right? I'm just doing a short, quick video to kind of go over it. We have the flow chart. If you look at the pinned messages, that's the flow of how things go. But you're going to 100% need the services, right? Our services are fully included. The done for you credit repair, business funding. So we're building your business from scratch because we're going to teach you how to do that, right? Through the LLC properly structured training and things like that. So we're building your business from scratch. And then we build your Turo fleet out, right? So I don't want you guys to get confused about shortcutting processes and things like that. Those are the people that take higher risks because you're shortcutting steps, whether it's because of price or whatever it may be. We suggest to do what we've done and what we know works from multiple other students. So if you choose not to go that route, you can't really put the blame on us because we're giving you the blueprint. You just got to follow the blueprint, right? Especially if the services are done for you. So I personally don't care about anybody's credit score coming in. You can be 720, 730, 780. The number doesn't matter. You can have immaculate credit, it's fine, 815, right? But if you got 3 or 4 addresses on there, you need optimization. A lender's not gonna lend to that account knowing, that you have 3 different addresses. Simple things like that is what we fix. We do the whole profile to put it in a fundable position so you cannot be denied for funding. That's why our service works. That's why we're good at what we do. And then we are partnered and we have affiliates with over 30 lenders at multiple banks. So your approvals, you're gonna get approved because you're going through our system. So of course there's service fees on the funding. There's a one-time fee and it comes from the funding, right? Because we have those connections, we have those affiliates, and we can guarantee approval. So I don't want you guys to be confused on that, right? I want you guys to be able to, utilize our whole services and take advantage of everything that's given to you. That's about the credit and the funding, right? Use what we provide because it works. We know it works. If you choose to do it on your own, that's fine. But if you do mess up and you cause more work for us, and then you want us to do it again, it's gonna be a charge, you know what I mean? Because it's only right. That's how that works. So yeah, clear that up. You're not using your funding, any of your access to credit on the personal or business side, you're not using. That is strictly for growing and scaling your business, maintenance, insurance, repairs, car notes that because the vehicle may not book out that month. Your funding is strictly for that. It's to we're not taking immediate debt on our credit cards, right, to buy cars. It's not what we do. That's why we leverage your credit score to go get multiple cars, and we teach you the strategies on how to get multiple cars and put them on your LLC or your personal, depending on the situation. They're both good options. They're both fine. Yeah, so I don't want you to be thinking that's what you're using the funding for. The business and personal funding is strictly to live. You know what I mean? Go live your life. If we get you 250K, you haven't even made that. Well, 9 times out of 10, you're not making that in a year at your job, or you probably wouldn't, you know what I mean? Like be in the position that you're in. So you're using that to live life. You're using that to keep growing your business, things like that. So yeah, I don't want you guys to be confused about that process and how it works. We are tied in with lenders. We have discounts, we have deals, and we definitely can get you approved on every single thing. So that's kind of why it rolls like that. That's how it works. That's how we're able to be so successful. That's how we have so many successful students. We got over, I think we're almost at 380 students now. So